So what is Mendeley? Mendeley is a free tool that makes the task of referencing a lot easier and more accurate. Why Mendeley? Well, Mendeley saves time, ensures that your references are 100% accurately formatted, keeps your references organized, helps share with your teammates, and helps find relevant journals and other study materials required for citations. So how to access Mendeley? Well, Mendeley has two versions, a web version and a desktop version. We'll be going through the web version first. Now the first step is to visit the Mendeley website and sign in and create an account. So signing up and creating a new account. On the web version, we go to the top right corner to create an account, after which it will take us to a page which requires us to enter our email to continue with Mendeley. Then we provide it with our personal email or any kind of email that we feel comfortable with giving. Now install Mendeley Web Importer. Our second step is installing the web importer. Now for that we can go to their official website and install the Chrome extension and add it to our Chrome, which will be done automatically. Installing Mendeley Site plugin. Now to install the Mendeley Site plugin, we can go to their official page and install Mendeley Site, from which we can open any Word document and then access the Mendeley Site. Keep note that this Mendeley Site plugin only works in Word document. On the top you can see the references through which you can access the Mendeley Site, which is given on the top right. Number 4. Accessing the library. Now from the web page on the top right, the library option is given through which we can go to our library. After entering, we can see that our given references which we have imported in Mendeley can be appeared here, through which we can choose from all references recently added, recently read, and favorite. Number 5. Exploring other features. Now, other features include adding references or articles from the library. Now, we can search for articles through the library, such as academic dishonesty, which we have been taught recently. Now, after searching for academic dishonesty, we can find a list of articles that can be chosen, and we can also choose the year in which it has been published. Now, upon getting the article that you wish to choose, you can choose the article and then choose to add it to library. After adding it in library, you can view the article in the library. After which, going back to the library, you can check to see that the article that you have chosen to add in the library has been added. Now, the second one is adding a reference manually. First, you go to the top left corner where you add new, and then you add a reference manually, in which you have to add references manually such as identifiers, reference type, titles, authors, month, dates, year, and any other relevant information required to fill it in. Now, the third one is to use the Chrome extension to add the required reference. Now on the top right, you can access the Google Chrome extension and add your required reference. Then you can go back to your library and check the reference that you have just added in your library. Now you can check for the information and everything else that has been added. Now adding to collection. Now adding to collection, first you can go under the tab collections and then name the collection. Over here we'll name it academic skills. Now any relevant references that go under academic skills, you can drag and drop it under the collection, through which now you have named those given references under the collection of academic skills. Now you can tap on it and notice that all the references that you have added have come under academic skills. Here are some useful shortcuts that can be used for quick search, adding reference, and inserting citations. Some advanced tips are organizing with folders, which create project specified folders by right clicking My Library, using tags, automated PDF imports, annotate PDFs, collaborate, web importer, which we have talked about, regular syncing, and backing up our library so that we do not go out of sync. Now, adding in-text citation and bibliography. First of all, we open our Word document, and then on the top right we can choose Mendeley Site, in which it will give us a list of references, and on the right side you can choose the citation settings. Over here the current chosen style is American Psychological Association or APA reference style, but you can change it according to the citation style that you wish. Now heading on to the in-text citation. First of all, we can choose where we want the in-text citation using our cursor. Then we can choose the reference that we want. So over here we choose child and adolescent mental health citation. Then we just press import, and then it imports the citation. Now similarly, we can choose multiple citations wherever we want, and then choose to insert the citations wherever needed. So over here we are inserting few citations that were needed. Now the sample list or bibliography can simply be added going on the top right, and then choosing insert bibliography. Your bibliography will be inserted at your cursor location. So now we set it to where we want it to be, and then we simply press insert, and then it inserts the bibliography that is required or has already been cited. Now exporting references. On the list of references that you already added on your library, you choose the references that you want to export. While exporting, you have to make sure that you only export in BIB or RIS, since these are the only two viable options that you can export with. After which you can choose and then press on it, and then it will get downloaded. Afterwards you can click on it and then make sure that you have exported your file or reference. Some of the common issues and problems while using Mendeley can be syncing problems, missing references, citation style issues, and slow performance. Syncing problems are usually one-tap solution. Just by clicking sync, we can sync with all the new information that has been added. Missing references can be looked for in the trash or deleted references. Citation style issues can be changed using the citation style, and slow performance can be improved by updating the app to its latest version.